Hello, this is Claude, and today I'm going to do a quick video, and the topic is it worth upgrading your router in order to gain some advantage while you're gaming? Example is a CSGO. The faster or the faster the router, the lesser the ping will be, meaning that every movement you're going to do, every click you're going to do is going to be registered so much faster by the servers, and being able to give you an edge. All right, so what I'm going to be doing today is I will upgrade my own router. I needed to upgrade my router no matter what, and I currently am using an Asus AC68U router. Used to have the 66 as well. Upgraded that 66U to the 68U, I think 2 years ago, and it's a great router. I love the graphic user interface. It's a great router altogether. So I decided to go with the big brother now, the AC88U or the AC3100 model. The specific model that I chose is the one that has the 8 ports in the back, because I do not want to have a switch there and next to the router. Got a couple of things going on by the router where it sits. So having this these 8 ports, the jacks there for the RJ45 cables, is very convenient for me. So this is why I chose this model. If I look quickly on the website, there's the big AC5300, the one that looks like a big giant spider. It's got exactly the same specs as the 88U that I've got right here, except that actually the 88U's got more ports. It's got USB 2, USB 3, and all that good stuff. And performance for performance, they're exactly the same. So this is why I went with this model. So one of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the difference between the ping, and I'm going to do on the console, and I'm going to ping google.com before the change, meaning with the current Asus AC68U. And if I show you the video here, you will see that the average ping on this with the current router gives me 85 milliseconds. All right, so this is the ping test with google.com. I'm going to show you the video now of the test that I've made right after changing the router. All right, so if I do the same thing and I ping google.com, you will see that the average now ping that I have is 25 milliseconds. If I do basic math, going from 85 to 25 milliseconds, I'm saving 60 milliseconds on average over 85 milliseconds that I had with the original router, which gives me an improvement by 70%. So if I do on the console, it's improving my ping by 70%. So right there, it tells me that the upgrade was really good. If I go into Steam and then I open CSGO and I go into the game, and what I can tell you, and I will show some footage here, is that the average ping in game that I have with the current router, the AC68U, the original router, it would give me 55 to 60 millisecond ping. All right, that's not bad. It's not good either. I see tons of players that show a ping of 15, 20. The average is usually 30 to 40. So that's what it is. A high ping would be above 100. So if I look at the average ping that I have in CSGO with my the original router, I have 55 to 60. So let's just say that the average, to put it in the middle, about 57 milliseconds. All right. If I take the new router now and I play around a little bit CSGO, which I still suck, but doesn't matter, I will give a ping now with the change of router going to the Asus 88U. It is giving me now an average ping of 40 to 45 milliseconds. I'm going to average this out to 42 milliseconds. So in theory, what it does, the change that I have is that I'm going from my original average of 57 milliseconds to a new average of 42 milliseconds, which give me an improvement of 26%. So in game, so that 26% improvement will make a difference. It means that if I see my opponent and I headshot him, if the gods of CSGO are with me and I get the headshot, and then by the time I click, I'm going to be 26%. It's going to register 26% faster, which make a difference between a kill or death. So overall, if you look at the conclusion is, if I look at the ping that I got, the improvement, I got 70% improvement on the console pinging google.com, 70%. If I look at the in-game in CSGO using the Steam servers, I went from 57 milliseconds to 42 for a 26% improvement. So the conclusion is very simple, is that the upgrade in the router indeed made a difference, and it improved the ping both in day-to-day usage and through the Steam servers. So it means that for me, I had to change my router no matter what, and it was time to change it. And but someone who wants to improve his ping and is that decided to improve everything they can, changing the router will make a little difference. Well, it's significant, 26% and 70%. It is significant. And my own conclusion is that making the change of router did give me an edge and is improving the overall performance. So there it is, and I hope that video was useful if you're looking at changing your router, upgrading. My conclusion, as I said, is favorable, and I would recommend people to look into that if they are that edgy. All right, hope you liked that video. If you liked it, click on like. If you disliked it, dislike it. It gives me an indication of where I'm going with these videos. And if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel. All right, appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.